overpopulation. If we go back about 250 years ago, elephants had access to 97% of the open land mass on the southern sides of Africa. We humans only took up 3%. Now the roles are reversed. We've taken the 97% and left just 3% of the elephants. Now, quite a big problem that we as humans run into with any species of animal around the world is once we start taking over animals' habitats and we start putting fences around animals like national parks and game reserves, you need to manage their populations within those fences, especially elephants. If you guys take into consideration Tembo, the big guy standing on the right there, he's about 34 years old. And Tembo is still growing. Elephant bulls only stop growing at about 40 or 45 years old. At this stage of Tembo's life, he already stands 3.4 meters tall at the shoulder and he weighs just over 6.5 tons. Now, one of the biggest problems with keeping elephants in fenced area is elephants have the same digestive system as horses, their hindgut fermenters, which basically means that just like a horse, an elephant has to eat 5% of his body weight every day. So, big elephant like Tembo eats between 400 and 500 kilograms of plant material every day. And depending on how hot it is today, we'll go through between 250 to 300 liters of water. So, you know, you guys can just imagine to yourselves the devastation that too many Tembos can cause in an ecosystem. The 6 elephants that we have, they were all orphaned elephants from population control, or culling exercises. And our company decided, rather than to see all these young elephants being put down, that they would set up a training center and rescue some of these young elephants to use them as educational tools. To give guests like you the opportunity to personally meet an elephant and leave here afterwards, hopefully with a deeper love and knowledge of these incredible animals. Guys, just a quick background into our training methods. With our elephants, we don't use any forms of negative enforcement methods. We don't chain our elephants, we don't starve our elephants, and we definitely don't hit our elephants. We use a very simple but tried and tested command and reward system. Same way you train a dog, or a wife trains a husband. Boy, good boy, award, good boy. I'm just quickly going to run you guys through a couple of the exercises that we do with the elephants. Firstly, for you guys to see how well they respond to verbal commands. And secondly, it'll just give you a little insight into how intelligent elephants are. Drop your weights. Pick it up and hold.
Oh, they're holding a stick. Oh my God.
Relay, pick it up. Hold. Easy first, pick it up and hold, boy.
Oh.
Right front foot up. Right front foot up. Right front foot up. Walk up. Walk. Talk again. Turn left. Left. Right, back foot up. Good. Good. Right, about turn. Two left feet up.
Oh my god. ही गलत बात है हाँ खाने की क्या जरूरत है यार
Cross feet up.
राइट बिल्कुल मांग रहा मेरे को
Girls, turn left. And head shake. Head shake again.
हेड शेक
Jump. So these are the two cows we have in the herd. On the right hand side here we have Andile. Andile is about 21 years old, and Andile means to multiply. Then the little girl with a straight tusk over here is Lindiwe. She's the baby in the herd. She's about 16 years old. And Lindiwe means the girl that we've been waiting for. Shamwari, turn left. Shamwari is our second oldest bull. He's about 24 years old. And Shamwari means friend. Does your name mean friend?
यस
Say
यस
yes. Jump. Ziziphus, Midwa, Timbo, turn left.
ओह माय गॉड
Then over here we have Ziziphus macronata, which is the scientific name of the black buffalo thorn, and Ziziphus is about 22 years old. You gonna say hello? Again?
हेलो
Jump. And then Midwa on the side there, he's about 21 years old. And you guys are going to get to know Midwa quite well. Midwa is a pretty trusting and extroverted character. And he just loves being the center of attention. Midwa, you going to wave hello to the guests, boy? Good job.
हाथ उठा रहा है
Timbo, talk my boy. Good job. Back up to your positions.
रिवर्स गियर कर दिया माय गॉड ओ बाबा रे इसमें नहीं बाबा बस 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 हो गया
Drunk up and salute. Here we go. Guys, over here you're welcome to leave your bags and extra things on the chairs. Just bring your cameras and make your way to the back here.
बैक
Guys can line up this side of the tree and you're welcome to spread out all the way to the staircase. Other side of the line. Perfect. Here we go.
बैठे रहने से तो भी होगा